Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set full screen display for Netflix in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness. And here you will find one option called full screen display of apps. Just click on it. And here you will see the app Netflix. Just to turn on this button so that it will be in full screen. Okay, here read the instructions. Apps that already fit will not appear on the list. That is what are only apps that have already full screen display will not appear here. Okay, the apps which are not fit for full screen display will be displayed here. That is here displayed Netflix. Okay, so in this way you can easily set full screen display for Netflix in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.